Hello everybody, and let's go for another AutoCAD practice. So this is the theme that we are going to draw now. So let's begin. So at first get this one. Okay. So at first select circle. That is we need center diameter. Just click and put the diameter, that is 3.6 millimeter. Now select line and draw two lines. So this is first line, and repeat line and draw another line. Okay, now select polygon. Now enter the number of sides, just put 8. Now specify the center, so this is the center for me. Now from here select inscribed in circle. Now put the radius 0.5 millimeter. Now again select polygon. Now enter the number of sides, so this time the side will be 6, and this is the center. Also inscribed in circle and put the radius 0.5 millimeter. Okay, now select this one, copy, and from this point just copy here, enter. Now again select polygon. Now the number of side will be 5 now, and this is the center, and it is circumscribed about circle, and the radius will be 0.5. Okay, now again go to line, from the center along this direction. Okay, switch on ortho, draw a line of length 0.9 millimeter. Now in this direction it is 0.45 millimeter. Now in this direction it is 1.8 millimeter. Did this one. Okay, now again select line, and from the center in this direction draw a line of 1 millimeter. Now switch off ortho and join these two. Now repeat line, and again from this point draw line. Okay, now this part is complete. Now select this one, click on mirror. Now just click here, and enter. Now our object is ready. Now let's put the dimension. At first select diameter, so this diameter will be 3.6 millimeter. Repeat diameter, and we are not getting any dimension from here. Just enter, just select circle and draw a circle, and we made this one with diameter of 1 millimeter. Now select this one. Now it is 1 millimeter. Now okay, now go to linear, from this point to this point it is 1.8 millimeter, and right button click, and from this point to this point it is 2 millimeter, and our object is ready. And finally, thank you for being with me. Thank you.